What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. If you're just tuning into the series, I'm doing a series of videos this week discussing the iPhone 13 Pro Max best cases. I'm doing reviews for each of these cases, and these are the best because of price, protection, MagSafe, wireless charging, so on and so forth. So if it's not your best, if it's not your favorite, don't worry, it's okay. It is okay. I'm giving you options. Everybody likes options. But anyways, this video we're going to be talking about the Lopie leather case. And just so you know, I'm keeping these videos about 3 to 4 minutes long. I'm not trying to bore y'all. I'm not trying to lose y'all. Stay with me. Okay, anyways, this is the Lopie leather card case. You can get this for about $21.99 on Amazon. I like this case because it does offer edge protection. It does have a card holder right here, and it's also very stylish, and I believe it has wireless charging. I've had these cases that I'm doing these reviews on for a few months now, so I'm very well versed in what they do and what they don't do. So without any further ado, let's slap this bad boy on. So you can see it has like these copper cutouts for your buttons. You can get to all your switches right here. Decent camera cutout with like a black edge, another copper cutout for your buttons, and a cutout for your speakers and your charging port. Now you can actually put a card in here. Let me slide this one out real quick. Boom. So you can actually put a card in here. Me, would I do this? No, I don't need to put a card back in there because I carry the MagSafe wallet. So, but yeah, if you look to the side, it does have raised edges, which is great. Slap this on. It does not. Wait a minute now. I just assumed, because I never, like, look how thick this is. I never thought that this would stick to here, but it kind of does. Obviously, it's pretty weak, but I guess that magnet in there is pretty strong. But let's see if it has wireless taking pictures, golly. Let's see if it has wireless charging. It does have wireless charging. So, like I said, $21.99 on Amazon. This is the Lopie leather case. This design on here is so modern, so sleek. It's like a little cloth texture right here. Obviously, this part is leather. I would definitely recommend this case because I think it looks pretty cool. And if you're wearing like earth tones, it will kind of go with whatever you're wearing. So I think this is a definite thumbs up, and I'll keep this video short and sweet. Like I said, I'm not trying to waste y'all time. Thank you for tuning in. The next video is coming. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.